Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to remove a Facebook account from your phone. If you no longer want a Facebook account connected to your phone, you can remove it from the Facebook app. So, this is useful if you're switching accounts, logging out of a shared device, or troubleshooting login issues. So, on Android and iPhone, open the Facebook app on your phone, then tap your profile in the bottom right corner, then scroll down and look for logout, then tap on it. Confirm the action by tapping log out again. So once log out, so on the login screen, you can tap the three dots next to the account you want to remove if it's available. Then select remove account from device, then confirm your choice when prompted. Now, the next method you can do is to go to your profile, then scroll down and go to settings and privacy. Go to settings, then go to account center, then scroll down and go to manage accounts. Select the account that you want to remove, then click manage. Then click deactivation or deletion. So you can choose deactivate account or delete your account. So if you choose to deactivate your account, this is temporary. So your profile will be deactivated and your name and photos will be removed from most things you've shared, but you'll be able to continue using Messenger. If you want to delete your account, so this is permanent. So when you delete your account, your main profile and everything else you've added will be permanently deleted. And you won't be able to retrieve anything you've added. So choose whichever you like and click continue. Enter your password, click continue. Choose a reason why you want to remove the account, click continue, then tap deactivate my account. And your account will be deactivated. Now, if ever you change your mind and you want to use your account again, you can just log back in and just wait for it. And you can use your Facebook account again, just like that. And that's basically it. I hope you find this helpful. See you in the next one.